Hello, and welcome to Virtual Private Networks. Virtual Private Network, or VPN technology, enables the public internet to be used as if it were a private network. The information provided in this video will explain VPNs and differentiate between site-to-site VPNs and remote access VPNs. As global and distributed enterprises, including telecommuting, become more popular, the ability to configure and manage VPNs that provide secure connectivity will become increasingly important. As seen here in red, traditional connectivity among company branch offices, mobile users, and home office users is accomplished through lease lines or circuit-switched lines such as the public-switched telephone network. Lease lines are cost-sensitive to distance. That is, the longer the lease line is, the more it costs. Moreover, the more throughput that is needed, the higher the cost. Finally, mobile users seeking corporate connectivity using circuit-switched lines often incur high long-distance fees to reach the corporate headquarters. As seen in blue, VPNs leverage the public internet infrastructure for corporate connectivity. VPNs using access technologies such as cable, digital subscriber line or DSL, and broadband wireless provide high bandwidth, affordable, scalable, and secure alternatives to traditional leased line configurations. Because the public internet infrastructure is used for VPN data transport, there is always a chance that data traveling on this network can be intercepted and manipulated. As a result, security is the cornerstone of all VPNs. The three main goals of VPN security are data confidentiality, data integrity, and authentication. Data confidentiality measures protect data from eavesdroppers. Encryption algorithms are used to transform message text into an unreadable string. Only the sender and receiver know the method used to encrypt the text. Even if the encrypted message were intercepted, it would be unreadable to the attacker. Because the internet is public, there exists the possibility that a sender's message can be intercepted and modified by a hacker. Data integrity means that the message has not been tampered with in transit. Hash values are numbers that are used to test data integrity. When a sender sends a message, a hash value is calculated based on the content of the message using a mathematical algorithm. The hash value is attached to the message and sent with it to the receiver. Upon receipt, an ending hash value is calculated using the same mathematical algorithm and compared to the hash value attached to the message. If the hashes match, no tampering has occurred. However, if the hashes do not match, the message has been modified in transit. In this example, a money transfer intended for Jeremy in the amount of $100 results in the displayed hash value. Somewhere in transit, however, the transfer has been modified to pay Alex Jones $1,000. Note that the hash values are different. As a result, this transfer of information will not occur. Authentication mechanisms serve to ensure that only authorized senders and devices enter the network. This is achieved by passwords, digital certificates, smart cards, and biometrics. In this diagram, the two routers that serve as the VPN endpoints authenticate with each other to ensure that data passed between them is secure. There are two types of VPN implementations. Site-to-site VPNs are used to connect geographically dispersed locations. In a site-to-site VPN, each location uses a VPN gateway such as a router, Cisco PIX firewall appliance, or Cisco Adaptive Security appliance. Each gateway is configured with appropriate VPN authentication, integrity, and encryption parameters. These security measures are applied as data leave the source device and are removed as they enter the destination device. Remote access VPNs are optimized for teleworker and mobile business users. Whereas VPN connectivity begins at a gateway in site-to-site VPNs, VPN software installed on the end device constitutes the beginning of the remote access VPN. When a mobile user moves from city to city, all VPN capability goes along, as it is configured in VPN client software on the mobile device. VPN connectivity enables businesses to leverage the public internet as if it were their own private corporate network. Benefits of VPNs include cost savings, security, and scalability. We encourage you to research current VPN technologies so that you can make wise decisions when implementing your own virtual private networks.